guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the last video of the installment of this yellow bag. I'm sure by now you're like, okay, we got it, yellow bag, move on. I think that they are so stunning, and I just wanted to offer you help in case you were wondering which one of the beautiful colors to get. I'm here to serve, okay? And I love filming videos, so if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe down below. If you want to see a very quick overview of each of the bags, I've done 2 already. Make sure you check them down below. But today I'm going to make the last one, and the last one is going to be the camera. Where is it? Oh, there. Great. So the last one is going to be the camera bag over there, and let's get started. So today I'm going to talk about the name will appear here. This is the camera bag version, but the Gucci Marmont line has so many different camera bag versions that it's kind of hard to keep track because you have a more square one. This is the one that is a little bit like, as a comparison, I do have my one and only other Gucci bag, which is the Gucci Soho Disco bag, and they are quite similar. I believe that this one fits just like a couple more things than the Gucci Soho Disco. So size-wise, there's not a huge difference. Just wanted to throw it in there. Why is there a tag, you ask, if you are new on this triple review of that beautiful pastel yellow. I ordered all of the 3 bags that I was eyeing up because I couldn't choose, and I had never owned a Marmont bag before, and that's why there's a tag, because I haven't officially made a decision yet, but you can help me, or you can place your bets down below. Tell me, which bag do you think I'm going to keep of the 3? This bag, beautiful bag, what is there to say? It's a classical camera bag style. It has a zipper over here. Now this zipper pull is very stiff, but I know from experience of other people, whenever you get into using it, it's going to soften up and it's going to be no problem whatsoever. And it opens like it should. It better open, right? And reveals you a beautiful interior with a little slip pocket, big enough to fit your card holder, I think, but I'm not going to throw my stuff inside again because I might be sending it back. Or maybe not, who knows. And inside you have a beautiful microfiber suede lining as well, that is kind of a skin color, like my skin color. Nude, pinky nude, that kind of a nude. I don't know. I know that this bag is going to fit everything that I need and a little bit more, so you know, that's all good. On the back of the bag you have the GG logo over here, as opposed to the 2 other ones which had a, what did they have? This is a lesson. We're homeschooling right now, okay? All jokes aside, they have 2 hearts at the, I mean, each has 1 heart. They have a heart on the back each, and this one has the GG monogram, and it has a strap, a very generous strap actually. It's adjustable, but I haven't really pushed that into any of the adjustments because that's how I've kind of tested it out. And the thing that makes this bag just a little bit more fancy than just if it had a simple leather strap are those little chain details over here, because the chain, let me tell you, oh, this is okay. They have these beautiful chain details over here that gives it a little bit more fanciness than if it was just this dangling leather strap that you have to wait for ages before it gets supple. Now, I don't know if you have to wait for ages, but I presume, I don't know. But the chain on the Marmont, let me tell you, it is a joy. It is a joy to hold, to touch it. A lot like that one, because this one has a lot of chain. Very, very awesome. Like it has a little bit of weight to it, but not too heavy, but it's just a pleasure. In terms of stitching, this is the best made bag out of the 3 of them. They're like, this one is in like perfect condition. This one, I have nothing to add, nothing to complain about. The two others you may or may not have seen. I had a little bit of issue with the stitching there, but this one, I think it's the prettiest one. I think this is also a really practical bag for the summer. Clearly the color kind of leans towards spring summer, but in the summer I don't want to worry about an open top bag or anything like that. I think the fact that it's a classical camera bag style, that you have a zipper, keeps your things in place, you know, because you're probably just a little bit, a tad more adventurous in the summer. At least I am. I'd like to think that. I'm wild. I'm really wild when summer kicks in. Let me come a little bit closer to show you the hardware. So you have the double GG logo here. This looks a lot like polished gunmetal silver. So it's not like your dull, cool, super cool toned silver. This is more like a gunmetal material. And you can see on the inside, I first freaked out when I saw it, but on the inside it looks a little bit dirty and filthy. Really kind of shows you that they wanted to give you the look that they have polished the gunmetal, and that's something really beautiful. There's not much more to say. If you want to see what fits in a bag like this, I will link a couple of my favorite ones down below. I cannot stop looking into the viewfinder because it's just, oh, and also, I know, this reminds me an awful lot of my favorite ice cream when I was a kid, and it was lemon ice cream. It was a decent lemon cream ice cream, and it was not too sweet. It was like, it had the punch of lemon. Let me tell you, if I could find lemon ice cream, if you have lemon ice cream in your country, you better be shipping it to me as we speak. As we speak, okay? Because they don't sell it anymore. And the few times that somebody has said lemon ice cream, it's been like, yeah, no, too sweet. No, can't taste the real lemon. So maybe I should do it myself. Probably should. But it's such a beautiful color, don't you think? So this was it, the last bag of the beautiful yellow collection. Please let me know down below which bag you think I'm going to keep. And also let me know which color do you like best. Do you like the yellow one, or the pink one, or the blue one, or the multicolor one? Because they have one of those as well for anyone who cannot pick. This time I was able to pick something. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you again next time. Bye!